Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to our maths class. So, our third chapter is fraction. New chapter is fraction. Okay? So, our new chapter is fraction. A fraction is a part whole divided into equal parts. A fraction means a whole divided into equal parts. Whole A fraction means whole divided into equal parts. I have an example like this is you just imagine a whole cake. This is a whole cake. Okay, now it is divided into two equal parts. That means half of whole cake. This cake is divided into two equal parts. Okay, next is this is 1/4 of so this is one whole cake, and next it is divided into two equal parts. Next is divided into four equal parts. That means a fraction is whole divided into equal parts. Okay, I have more examples. Okay, here just shade, and this is how many parts here? Yes, total 3 parts. How many parts we share? Yes. So this is 1/3. One out of 3 equal parts. One part out of 3 equal parts. Okay. This is 3/4. That means 3 out of 4 equal parts. 3 out of 4 equal parts. Okay. So, in a fraction, and the number above the line is called numerator. Number below the line is denominator. Okay, in 1/2, 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. That means in a one part in 2 equal parts. There is total 2 parts and 1 selected part. Okay, so this is fraction. Okay, so page number 67, you can see a picture, one whole shape, equal parts of whole shapes. Okay, so in a fraction, the number below the line is numerator and below the line is denominator. Is it clear? So next is parts of collection. Next is parts of collection. I will write an example. Here there are some balls, a collection of balls. one collection of 8 balls. One collection of 8 balls. Okay. Next, we can find out half of the 8 balls. Half of the 8 plus. That means this is equally divided into 2. This is equally divided into 2. Okay. This is one part and this is first part and second part. So half of the 8 balls means this is first and this is second, total 2. This is the ball is divided into 2 equal parts and that one part is this. So how many? Yes, half of 8 is equal to 4. Half of 8 is equal to 4. Is it clear? So collection of this parts of collection, that means some parts in a collection of anything. So here one collection of 8 balls are there. So we have to find out the half of 8 balls. So here this is first part and this is second part, and first part we just shaded to find out the half of 8 balls. So we get 4. Another example. One collection of 12 mangoes. Next we had to find out 2 by 3 of collection of 12 mangoes. So find out 2 by 3. 2 by 3rd of collection of 12 mangoes. 2 by 3rd collection of 12 mangoes. Here total 12 mangoes. So we can classify, we can divide it into 3 equal parts. First 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. Here 2 by 3rd, that means first and second, that means 2 by 3rd, total 3 equal parts and 2 by 3rd means this. So how many? 8. So we get 8. Is it clear? 8 mangoes. This is 2 by 3rd of collection of 2 mangoes. This is parts of collection. And page number 69 and 70, exercise B. You can see. Color the correct number of objects in the collection according to the fraction indicated, then fill in the blanks. First you can see pictures. 1 by 3rd of 9 apples. 1 by 3rd of 9 apples. Here 3. The total apples, 9 apples are divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. So 1 by 3rd of 9 apple means you have to shade the first part. Okay. So we get the answer. 3. We get 3. Next, half of 1 by 2 of 8 leaves. That means total 8 leaves are divided into 2 equal parts. So 1 by 2. Half means you have to shade first part. So you have to shade 4 leaves and 1 by 2 of 8 we get 4. So like this you have to find out the next two questions, page number 73 and 4. 1 by 4th of 20 flowers. So the total 20 flowers are divided into 4 equal parts. So shade the first part. So you get the answer. The same method, 2 by 3rd of 12 tops. So there is 12 tops are there. The 12s are divided into 3 parts, and 2 by 3 means first you shade the 2 parts and you get the answer. Okay, is it clear? So next, so here next is to find 1 by 2 divided by 2. Example, so you have to find out any number half. What will do? Divided by 2. Example, 1 by 2 of 8. That means 8 by 2. What is the answer? 8 by 2. How many 2's in 8? Yes, it is 4. That means simple 4 is the answer. So you have to find out 1 by 2 of any number, divide that number with 2. Another example, how many 2's in 12? Yes, it is 6. Is it clear? Okay. So next is to find 1 by 3, we divide the number by 3. Example, to find 1 by 3rd of 9. To find 1 by 3rd of 9, that means 9 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 we get, yes, 3. 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Okay. $12. So 12 by 3. How many 3's in 12? Yes, 4. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Next, find out to find 1 by 4th. The same method we can take, divided by, yes, it is 4. So 1 by 4 of 16. 1 by 4 of 16 means 16 divided by 4. We get the answer 4. 1 by 4 of 24. That means 24 divided by 4. We get how many 4's in 24? Yes, 6. So this is the fractions. To find out 1 by 2, we divide that number with 2. To find out 1 by 3, we divide that number with 3. To find out the 1 by 4, we divide that number with 4. Okay. Okay, next one is equivalent fraction. Next one is equivalent fraction. So here equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction, to find a fraction equivalent to a given number, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. I will give an example. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a fraction. 3 by 4 is a fraction. So now we have to find out the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. So we multiply 3 into 2, 4 into 2. So we get 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Again we can multiply 3 into 3, 4 into 2, 4 into 3. So multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 3 is 12. Next we can multiply any number. So equivalent fraction means multiply to get equivalent fraction. Multiply numerator and denominator by same number. So to get equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. So this is 6 by 8, 9 by 12. The 12 are the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. We have another examples. Find any right any 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 9. Write any 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 9. So what we'll do? Yes, we can multiply 3 by 9, any number, but numerator and denominator multiply with same number. First 3 into 2, 6, 9 into 2, 18. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 9, 27. Next 3 into 5 or 3 into 4, 9 into 4, 12, 36. So 6 by 18, 6 by 18, 9 by 27, 12 by 36 are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay. So to get equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. Okay. So sometimes you get the question like, write the equivalent fraction of 9 by 11 having numerator 72. So sometimes you given this numerator. Okay. I will give an example. Write equivalent fraction have numerator 15. This is a question. Okay, page number 70, exercise 1, E question, sorry, F question, 3 by 7. First question is 3 by 7. So we already get the right equivalent fraction, numerator 15. So here numerator is 15, find out the denominator. So when we multiply 3 with a number, we get 15. So which number? Yes, 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. So we multiply the same number denominator. So 35. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. Okay, like this. Another number, 5/11. Here also numerator is 15. So find out the denominator. So 5 is multiplied with 3, we get 15. So multiply the same number with 3, 33. Is it clear? So sometime you will give the numerator. So find out the denominator by multiplying that number with numerator and denominator. Next question is write equivalent half and denominator. You given the denominator. Denominator 32. Okay, first question, 3/4. 3/4. So here denominator we get, numerator find. So multiply 4 with which number we get 32? We get, yes, 8. That means 4 into 8, 32. So multiply same number with denominator. So answer is 24. Is it clear? Another number, 5/8. So here the numerator already given, find out the denominator. So multiply 8 with 4. So multiply same number with 4. So 20/32 is the answer. Okay. So how to get an equivalent fraction? Multiply numerator and denominator by same number. So sometimes your question is like this. Are the following fractions equivalent? Check fractions equivalent or not. Check fractions equivalent or not. What will do? Example, four by 7 and 12/21. So to check the fraction equivalent, cross multiplication. That means cross multiplication. So 21 into 4 we get 84. Same way 12 into 7 8. So 4 into 21 is equal to 84. 7 into 12 is equal to 84. They are equivalent. They are equivalent. So we can check the fractions equivalent by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Okay. Another example. Here cross multiplication. Okay. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 3 is 9. So they are not equivalent. They are not equivalent. So you get the answer. To cross multiplication we can check the fractions equivalent or not. Okay, so exercise 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. You have to find out. Okay. Next, reducing fractions to their lowest term. Reducing fractions to their lowest term. We can reduce the fractions to the lowest term by cancelling the common factors. There are method of to find out the dividing numerator denominator by HCF and also cancelling the common factors. I will show you to find out. Reduce by 36 to its lowest term. So first we already learned about the prime numbers, prime factorization. So prime factorization, write the numbers as the product of prime numbers, like 24 we can write as 6 into 4. 6 is not a prime number, again we convert 6 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. Next is 36. 6 into 6. So convert 6 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay. So this is the next 24 by 36 means 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. We can reduce by cancelling the common factors. How to cancel? Here 2. So these 2's are cancelled. Next cancelled. Here 2 and 2. Next 2. There is no, here there is no 2 for cancellation and here there is no 3 for cancellation. So we get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the lowest, reduce. It is lowest term of 24 by 36. 2 by 3 is the lowest term of 24, 30 can reduce the lowest term to 2 by 3. Is it clear? First, write the numbers product of prime numbers. Next, cancel the common numbers, common factors. Next question is 25 by 45. Reduce 25 by 45 to its lowest term. So the same method, 25 we can write 5 into 5. 45 we can write 5 into 9. 9 is not a prime number, so we 3 into 3. Okay. Now 25 by 45. 5 into 5 by 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. So cancel the 5 here. 5 by 3 into 3, 9. So 5 by 9 is the lowest term of 25 by 45. Is it clear? Next question. (18 by 30). 18 we can write as 6 into 6 into 3. 6 is not a prime number, so we convert it to 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. Next is 30. 6 into 5. 6 is not a prime number, so 2 into 3 into 5. So 18 by 30 we can write as 2 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 into 5. So now we can cancel the common factors here. 2, 3, 3 by 5. So this is 3 by 5 is the lowest term of 18 by 30. Okay. So exercise 2, some questions are there. Okay. We already done 2 problems and remaining problems are complete from your home. Next is like and unlike fractions. Okay. Like fraction. First one is like fraction. Like fraction means fraction with same denominator. Example 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 9 by 6. Here 6 is the denominator. Okay. So they are like fractions. Next is unlike fractions. Do not have same denominator. Do not have same denominator. Do not have same denominator, like 1 by 8, 3 by 5, 2 by 7, like that. Here the denominator of 3 fractions are different, 1 by 8, 3 by 5, 2 by 7. So like fraction means they have same denominator. Unlike fraction do not have same denominator, their denominators are different. Okay. Our next topic is comparing and ordering fractions. Comparing like fractions. Comparing like fractions. Okay, here 5 by 9, 2 by 9. And which fraction is greatest? 5 by 9 and 2 by 9. Which is greatest? Yes, here 5 by 9 is greatest. And (3 by 8 and 11 by 8. Which is greatest? Yes, 11 by 8 is great. So unlike compared like fractions, number with greatest numerator is greatest. Okay. Next, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. I have a question here. 1 by 6, 9 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. Ascending order means arrange numbers in smallest to greatest. Ascending order. So 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6, 9 by 6. Okay, ascending order. And descending order is okay, and this is ascending order and descending order of like fractions. Okay. Next is comparing of unlike fractions. Unlike means they have, yes, their denominator are not same. So compare 5 by 10. Four by 20. So to compare two unlike fractions, first find out the LCM. First find out the LCM of the denominator. Okay. So LCM of 2 into 5. 20 is 4 into 5. 4 means 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 into 5. So what is LCM? LCM is the maximum occurrence of the number. Here 2 is maximum 2 times. Then next is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So here 20 is the denominator. So 20 is the denominator. So find out the equivalent fractions. Find out the equivalent fraction of the denominator as LCM. Here 5 by 10. So we get the denominator 20 as a, so 10 into 2, 5 into 2, 10 by 20. You understand? First you get an unlike fraction to compare, find out the LCM of the denominator. So LCM means maximum occurrence of the number. Okay, maximum, the product of the maximum occurrence of the prime numbers. Here 2 and 5 are there. 2 occurs maximum in 2 and 5. So we get the LCM 20. So here 4 by 20, the denominator already in 20. So we change next the 5 by 10. Here we get 20 when the number 10 is multiplied with 2. So if we multiply 2 with the denominator, we also multiply the same number with the numerator. So 10 by 20. Now 10 by 20 and 4 by 20, which is greatest? Yes, 10 by 20 is greatest. Okay, 10 by 20 is greater, that means 5 by 4 is greater than 4 by 20. Okay, this is the method of unlike, compare the unlike fraction. I will give you another example. Two by 25, 2 by 25 and 12 by 50. First step is find out the LCM. And 50. Okay, 25 we can write as 1 into 25 or 5 into 5. 50 we can write as 5 into 10 or 5 into 2 into 5. Okay, 5 into 2 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 5, 5 into 2 into 5. The maximum occurrence of 5 is 2 times. Next, the number also we get 50. LCM is 50. So here 12 by 50, the denominator already in 50. So change the denominator of 2 by 25. So equivalent fraction to get 50 as denominator. We multiply 25 into 2, we get 50. So 2 into 2. 4 by 50. Okay, so 4 by 50, 12 by 50, which is greatest? Which is greatest? Yes, it is greatest. So 2 by 25, 12 by 50, which is greatest? 12 by 50 is greatest. Okay, is it clear? So this is compare the unlike fractions. Okay, so you have a homework, compare unlike fractions. 8 by 14, 9 by 6. Sorry, this is not 8 by 4 by 9 and 6 by 18. Okay, compare this unlike fraction. Compare this unlike fractions. Okay, and like fractions are simple. Okay, this is your homework. And also eight by 14 and 9 by 6. This is your homework, comparing unlike fractions and both like fractions also. Okay, so this is about today's class. Today we are learn about the fraction. Fraction means a whole divided into equal parts. Then we are going to learn about the parts of collection. Then to find out the half of a fraction, divide the number with 2. Find out 1/3 of the fraction, divide that number with 3, like that. Next we are learn about the equivalent fraction. How to get the equivalent fraction? Say we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Next we are learn about reducing lowest term. So find out the common factors, cancel the common factors, we can find out the lowest term. Next we are learning like fraction means same denominator and unlike fraction means different denominators. They do not have same denominator. So comparison of like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction is simple because the greatest numerator is the greatest number, like the greatest fraction. In the case of unlike fraction, find out the LCM of the denominators first. LCM of the denominator, then it is changed the denominator into equivalent fraction. So you get which one is correct. Okay. So thank you so much. Today's class is over. Thank you so much.